Should I start off with a shot? I think yes. I'm gonna do like half a shot. Nah, a full shot. Cheers to you. Cheers to the freaking weekend. Pour it up, pour it up. I'll drink to that. Can't take myself seriously. Alright, let's just take a shot. I can't do it. Right. Cheers. What's up, what's up? Happy Super Bowl Sunday! It's your girl, Fly Girl Nina, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have 2 classic cocktail recipes with a little bit of a twist. So without further ado, let the games begin. So if you're watching the Super Bowl, you're probably wanting to just kick back, relax, not think about any fancy cocktails that are too difficult to make. So I made both the cocktails today very simple so that you can recreate it at home. Alright, cocktail number 1. Our first drink of today is called the Angry Washington Apple Bomb. I'm sure you've heard of the Washington Apple Shot, and this is kind of like my little recreation of this shot. I don't really even know if this is actually a cocktail, but it is a bomb shot cocktail recipe. Shot bomb. Bomb shot? Shot bomb. Shot bomb. Shot bomb cocktail. Bomb shot. Bomb shot. Shot bomb. Bomb shot. Shot bomb. Shot bomb. You drop a shot in liquor and then you drink it. Yeah. Alright, I'm done explaining. Let's just get into the cocktail. So, for this cocktail, you're gonna need a shot glass and you're gonna need a larger glass of some sort. This is just a regular pint glass. So, for our shot, we're gonna fill it up halfway with Crown Royal. Now we're gonna just fill it all the way up with cranberry juice. Next, we're gonna fill our pint glass halfway with some Angry Orchard. Alright, looks like we're ready to try our Angry Washington Apple Bomb. Now, if you really want to, if you're really trying to celebrate the Super Bowl season, you can drop the shot in this glass and just chug this baby down like any other bomb shot recipe out there. But if you're not trying to drink it all in one go, you could just pour the shot into the glass and it'll work just fine. You don't have to go crazy if you don't want to, but sometimes crazy is more fun, so. But drink responsibly. Alright, let's just get on with it. Cheers! Yes. Okay. That's delicious. That is bomb.com. So, if you don't know, Angry Orchard is a spiked apple cider. When you taste it on its own, it has a very fizzy taste. However, when you add the shot into the glass with the cranberry juice and the Crown, it definitely lessens the fizziness and it makes the drink more smooth. And then the cranberry juice also adds that extra like little I don't know what that means, but Oh, that's good. I could literally like, it's so easy to drink, which makes it dangerous. Alright, before I get too drunk off this, let's move on to cocktail number 2. So our second cocktail of today is actually a cocktail inspired by Rihanna since she's doing the halftime show this year. And it's just another take on a classic American cocktail with like a little bit of a Caribbean twist. Our second cocktail today is called the Rihanna Rum Coke. For this cocktail, we will be needing our Shakington today. For the rum component, we're going to be using an aged rum from Barbados, just like Rihanna. We're just going to measure 2 ounces and pour it into our Shakington. Next, we're going to measure out a ½ ounce of lime juice. Our next ingredient is just going to be a squeeze of cream of coconut. Now we're just gonna add some ice and give it a good shake. Into a Duffel Rocks glass, we're gonna add some ice, and then we're just gonna strain the cocktail into the glass. Lastly, we're just gonna top this off with some vanilla Coke. And we're gonna use a lime wheel for garnish. All right, let's have a taste. Cheers. Oh my God. Bro, that's freaking delicious. That is delicious. It tastes like you're sitting on the beach in the Caribbean and you're drinking a rum and Coke, but like with vanilla ice cream. That's so good. Oh my God. And I feel like the lime really brings out that Caribbean flavor. And then the vanilla Coke is what brings out the rum. Oh, that's so good. Oh my gosh. Please make this. I think this might be like one of my favorite cocktails I've ever made before. Oh my gosh. Delicious. Delicious. I hope you guys have a fantastic Super Bowl Sunday. And I really hope that you guys use my cocktails to help you celebrate the end of football season. Please try them out. They're delicious. If your team is not in the Super Bowl, I hope you still have a fun time watching the Super Bowl. And if your team is in the Super Bowl, I wish the best of luck to you and your team. Let me know when you try these cocktails out, how they turn out for you. Also, let me know in the comments down below which team you're rooting for the Super Bowl this year. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. That is the end of today's episode, but I will see you next time.